I used to catch every cold at the office, always reacting, never prepared. But today, we flip the script. Instead of waiting to get sick, we'll build a resilient immune system. I'll share 3 daily habits to move you from vulnerable to confident in your health. Our modern lifestyle, chronic stress, poor sleep, inflammatory foods, keeps our immune system on constant alert, wearing it down. When a real threat hits, your defenses are already exhausted. The goal isn't to boost your immune system, but to calm it so it's ready when needed. Immunity doesn't come from a last-minute supplement. It's built by small, consistent choices. Your immune system has 2 main branches, the fast-acting innate system and the strategic adaptive system. Chronic stress and high cortisol suppress your adaptive immune system, leaving you vulnerable. Managing stress isn't just for mental health. It's a clinical immune support strategy. So how do we build a calm, resilient system? Here are 3 daily habits to get you started. Let's dive in. Habit 1. Feed your first line of defense, your gut. About 70% of your immune system is in and around your gut, making what you eat crucial. Your gut lining and its trillions of microbes, your microbiome, train and support your immune cells. A healthy, diverse microbiome keeps your gut barrier strong and your immune system balanced. When the gut is compromised, inflammation rises, and your immune system gets confused. The solution? Daily probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are live beneficial bacteria found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso. Prebiotics are fibers that feed your gut microbes. Think onions, garlic, leeks, asparagus, bananas, oats, and legumes. Each day, aim for 1 probiotic and 1 prebiotic food. For example, yogurt with banana, or kimchi with lentil soup. This isn't a radical overhaul, just small, intentional choices. Over time, you'll build a resilient internal ecosystem. For this week, include 1 probiotic and 1 prebiotic food daily. Notice how you feel. This is your foundation for immune resilience. Habit 2. Protect your sleep, your immune system's nightly recharge. Deep non-REM sleep is when your immune system repairs, strengthens, and builds memory. Even 1 poor night slashes your natural killer cells and ramps up inflammation. Sleep is not a luxury. It's a biological necessity for immunity. The modern world sabotages sleep with screens and bright lights. So, create a 30-minute, screen-free wind-down routine every night. No phones, laptops, or TV. Blue light blocks melatonin, your sleep hormone. Dim the lights to signal your body it's time to rest. Use this time to read a physical book, listen to calming music, journal, stretch, or take a warm bath. Consistency is key. Repeat the same routine to train your brain for sleep. Don't stress about perfect sleep every night. Focus on respecting the process. This nightly ritual is an investment in your energy, mood, and immune resilience. Make it non-negotiable. Your immune army needs this nightly reboot. Start tonight. Habit 3. Give your immune system the raw materials it needs, vitamin D and zinc. Vitamin D is a powerful immune modulator. Almost all immune cells have receptors for it. It boosts your first responders and keeps your adaptive system balanced. Most people are deficient, especially in winter, or if you're indoors a lot. Get safe sun exposure. 10 to 20 minutes midday, arms and legs exposed. In winter, or if sun isn't an option, supplement with vitamin D3 after checking your levels. Zinc is essential for immune cell development and function. Deficiency impairs your body's ability to fight infection. Get zinc from foods, oysters, red meat, shellfish, lentils, chickpeas, pumpkin seeds, cashews. Add pumpkin seeds to breakfast or snack on cashews. These aren't drastic changes, just small, daily actions. Focus on these 2 nutrients for the biggest impact. A healthy gut helps you absorb them, and good sleep lets your immune system use them. Combine all 3 habits for a truly resilient defense. Your immune system will thank you. I used to see getting sick as bad luck, but now I know health is built daily. By feeding my gut, honoring my sleep, and supporting my nutrients, I've built trust in my body. It's not about perfection, but consistency. Every day, you're making choices that support your body's wisdom. Resilience is the key to thriving, not just fixing problems, but preventing them. This proactive mindset is the foundation of lifelong wellness. Subscribe for more. Next week, we'll tackle mental and emotional resilience with a science-backed breathing technique. See you then.